Hey everybody, it's Crafty Kitty, and I'm here to just tell you that um, my collab video for Isn't It Romantic is not available. My phone was stolen, and unfortunately, I didn't bother to upload it to YouTube right away. I figured I could do it anytime. So I have to redo my video. I hope that everybody who has joined my collab could please upload the video. I will still create the playlist. It's just my video is going to be coming a little bit later. I can't show you anything because I did it ahead of time and I've already dismantled my table. So I have to redo it all. I'm sorry for this delay and I thank everybody who has participated, but stay tuned. My video will be coming. Um, Thanks for watching and let's all get crafty. Bye bye.